Hey guys, today I'm going to make some salsa, chicken, and rice in the slow cooker. So let's get crocking. This is going to be real simple. I have some jasmine rice here. I think any kind of rice would work, but I have jasmine rice. That's what I'm going to use. And I have some salsa here and a package of chicken breasts. I used one of them yesterday just to try this out and make sure it would work, and it turned out good. These were $3.43 per pound. This is 1.8 pounds. So like I said, I used one of them yesterday, so it's probably about a little over a pound of chicken here. So I'm just going to cut that into cubes and we'll get everything into the pot. Now we'll just get everything into the pot here. I'm using equal parts water, rice, and salsa. So I put 1 cup of water in the pot already. Now 1 cup of rice, and I'll add 1 cup of salsa. So if you want to make a bigger batch, just use, a little more of everything, an extra cup of each or however much you want. Okay, there's my salsa. We'll get that in there. And my chicken is all cut up. And I season my chicken with salt and Johnny's seasoned pepper, but you can season it however you want. Actually, I guess you could even use like some taco seasoning if you wanted to, but it's up to you. And we'll get this all mixed together. And we'll get the lid on there. Rice seems to come out better cooked on high than low, so I'm going to cook this on high, and I'll let you guys know how long it takes. It's been about 2 hours, so let's check on this. That looks pretty good to me. It looks like the rice is cooked, and it looks like the chicken is cooked as well, so I don't want to dry that chicken breast out. I think I'm going to shut it off right there. This would make great burritos, but I don't have any tortillas, so I just put some in a bowl here. Looks like the rice is cooked pretty well, and the chicken looks good, so let's try a bite. That's good. The rice is cooked good, and the chicken's not dry, so it came out good. And he's got that pre-taste test tail wag going. Well, let's let her try it out. There you go. Little chicken with a little rice on it. Looks like she liked it. So that cooked on high for about 2 hours. So I'd say about an hour and 45 minutes to 2 hours. Just till the rice is done. Don't let it go too much longer, or the rice will get mushy and the chicken will start to dry out. So, all right, everything in the description. Thanks for watching. Stay out of the drive-thrus.